is Shivansh. This is my new video of Science Experimental series. Today's experiment name is Chroma and it's a color illusion. And for that we need two test tubes full of water, 3 colors: yellow, blue and red. A glass full of half water and a sturdy stick. Let's start the experiment. Now we have to add 1 drop of blue color in the water. And 1 drop of red color in the second test tube. Then add 3 drops of yellow color in this glass. Then stir it well. Let's dip this test tube in the water. There are 2 colors. One is green, one is blue. Let's try another one. This time the colors are changed. One is orange, one is red. You can try this experiment at your home with different colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.